Hey y'all, this Chanel. We got here for you. So listen, y'all. So while we all quarantined and chilling, I just felt like I wanted to chop it up with you all and just give you a little bit more insight on one of our textures from Got Hair For You hairline, which is sexy straight. Yes, okay. So right now I'm wearing the sexy straight texture in our atomic blonde color, and as you can see, it's not blonde anymore. Okay, bold color results. You see no strands of blonde, okay? So when you're doing your color application, bold color results is what you're gonna get with Got Hair For You Atomic Blonde bundles, frontals, and closures, okay? Like, this is it. Our Atomic Blonde is lit, okay? It's everything. And I wanted to show you what it looks like, okay? So this is our Atomic Blonde in the sexy straight. And look at that luster though. Okay, and look how full and thick the bundles are. Like, this is everything. Okay, now with our Atomic Blonde, I just want to give you furthermore insight on the Atomic Blonde. So Atomic Blonde starts out as a natural black, right? And my temple, they lighten it to this level 9. Okay, so because it's been processed and it's lifted to a higher color level, it will require some hair care maintenance. And what I mean by hair care maintenance is, number one, when you're washing your hair, you want to use a sulfate free slash shampoo and conditioner for blonde color hair. Okay, that's going to give you the best washing treatment. Okay, in addition, you know, throughout the week or whatever, you want to keep your hair hydrated, okay? Because the hair has been processed, so it's going to be dry. So you have to apply some sort of oil to keep the hair hydrated, whereas though you get the best sexy straight results, okay? Keep that in mind, boo-boo. All right, now sexy straight is available in bundles, frontals, closures, and clip-ins. All right, don't forget about the clip-ins. And yeah, shop online, cop up. Okay, it's available. We're ready. Now I also want to show you what the sexy straight looks like in our natural black color. Okay, where this starts out as natural black. All right, so this is the natural black where it all starts, okay, before it turns into the atomic blonde. So as you can see, bundles are full. Look how thick the bundles are, y'all. And the luster is like out of this world, okay? And you know, our sexy straight texture is for those girls who, you know, don't want all of the high maintenance like the beach curl or our boss curl texture. You know, they just want to get up and go. You know, I like the Atomic Blonde. Yes, it's going to require some sort of hair care maintenance, but if you don't even want to be bothered with that, the natural black is your go-to, okay? It's definitely your go-to. So yeah, definitely shop with us. And oh, don't forget the natural black sexy straight texture is available in our 24/7 closure bundle deal. Okay, so definitely take advantage. Sexy straight is included, okay? So definitely click the link in our bio, shop with us, www.hairforyou.com, and let Got Hair For You be your go-to source and add to your beauty, okay? All right, y'all.